you understand. I'm really sorry that I kept myself mute in the past because one phone call came, so that is why I kept myself mute. Okay. And yes, it was a nice song. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. So, and my morning is, yes, not so bad, but yeah, it's okay, fine. I'm fine. Now, here, first, I'm just for a sum, I'm making you understand first. Okay. For a sum, here, first, you need to understand one thing. Suppose 4, and here I'm just giving one blank, and here I'm writing the answer as 1. And I'm telling you that in this fill in the blanks, you need to find out how you will be able to do. So simply in the round, you will just subtract 1 from 4. So this will become 3. Okay. And this is becoming 1. Right. So if we are going to find out the smaller number, what I will do from the bigger number, I am going to subtract the answer. So from to find out the small number, what I am doing from big number, we are just subtracting the answer. Means the subtraction answer we are just going to find out. Now I hope that up to this everything is clear. Now the same sum I am just giving you. First there is the bracket, here is 3 and the answer is 1. Now you have to fill this blank. Okay, you have to fill this blank. Now what you will do, you need to simply add these two numbers where I am just showing, right? So if we are going to add 3 and 4 by sorry 3 and 1, it is becoming 4, right? So find out the big number. What we are actually doing, we are actually doing small number plus answer, right? So here, going to the first sum. Now consider only this part. Okay, not this part. Consider only this part. Now, from a, I told you always in the subtraction, this first number is going to be the big number, and the second number is going to be the small number. Okay, and here this is your answer, right? I hope that you all can remember this part. Now consider only this part only. I told you always it will be big number, this part. So 8 is smaller than 9. So what I will do, from 2 I will borrow 1, and 1 it will be, and in the tens place it is 1. It is much clumsy, so only we are considering this part. We are borrowing 1, and 2 is becoming also 1. Okay. So from now, from 18 we are subtracting 9, it is become 9. Now this part is completed. Which part? Up to 10th place the part is completed. Now coming to the this part, here I have to find out the big number, right? Now what I told you to find out the big number, to find out the big number, what we were doing, we are actually small number plus answer. That means with small number we were actually adding the answer. So here big number we need to find out in the for the 100 place. So small number and answer we are adding. How much it is coming? 10. Up to this, I hope that everything is clear, right? So here what is my next procedure? Next is, here in the 100 place, only one place we can just put. So we are putting 0 and 1 is there. Now 1 is there means 1 definitely we have borrowed from 7, right? Because from small number we cannot just subtract big number. So it is becoming 6. Now it is becoming. I hope today it is clear. Is there anyone not understood? My sum is completed. Or should I say repeat once more? If I need to repeat once more, please raise your hand virtually. Please raise your hand virtually if you are not understanding. Yes, Safi. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. No problem. From 8, we cannot subtract 9. So we need to make it 18. Okay, so how I will make 18? We will borrow 1 from 2. And if we are going to borrow 1 from 2, 2 becomes 1. Right? So it is become 9 and up to 10th place it is complete. Right? Next, in the 100 place, big number we need to find out. To find out the big number, why I told one rule. What was the rule? We need a small number. With the small number, we need to add the answer. Okay. So how much it is becoming? It is becoming 10. So 0, now in the 100 place, only 1, 10 we will put. Now in one place, it cannot, never it can be 2 digits. So definitely this one, that means this one, in 100 place 1. But from where it has came? From 1000 place. So 1000 place, if that number is borrowing 1, how much it is? It is 6. So from 4, from 6, we are just going to minus 4. It is becoming 2. I hope that it is now clear. So going to the next sum, big number again we are finding out. So 3 plus 2, we are just going to do plus. It's 5. Now 4 and 4 is bigger, 2 is smaller, but always in the subtraction, I told you what? That 2 will be 2 will be sitting, means we need to make it 12. So I am making it 12. Now from where I am just borrowing 1, from 9 I have borrowing 1. So it is becoming 8. Now small number. In the 100 place we need to find out. So from big number we are subtracting 4. So it is becoming 4. Okay, I hope that today this problem is also you have understood. Understand it and write it. Only then you will able to understand. Now here it is simple addition is there, simple subtraction is there. So from 8 we are subtracting 6, 2, so it will be 6, right? Now from 9 and 1 we are just going to add to make tens place. So it is becoming 0. And it has been adjusted. This part is done and 7 is only sitting over here. Okay, we will cross check. If it is 10, definitely it has been borrowed from 100 place, so it is 2. Okay. Again, the big number, so we will add 5 and 2, so it is how much? It is 7. From 3, we are subtracting 1, it is 2. And from 4, we are subtracting 0, it is 4. complete up to this. Take your time in copy, nicely complete it. Giving you 3-4 minutes. Yes, Savin. Unmute, please.
Ma'am.
Slowly. Talk slowly. Yes. Yes, Savin.
Ma'am, हमें subjects পারছি না
I'm not getting your voice. It is cracking too much. Okay. Don't unmute yourself again and again. Please refer. I'm just requesting you to see the YouTube video. Only then you will understand it nicely. I just made you understand everything. So going to the next sum. For doing this kind of sums, you need your copy, and in your copy, please mark with exercise C. So coming to the question number one, by how much is 9,999 is greater than this? So whenever this greater than or smaller than this type of sums are there, that means from the big number we need to subtract the small number. Okay, so what we need to do, from the big number we need to subtract the small number. So here we will write like that, that 9,999 is greater than 5,899 by, here you have to find out. Okay, just no need to write like this, write like this level. The number is 9 by the way. By, sorry. Next sum will be same. Only the answer part you will have to write it in a different form. If completed, next time you try by yourself. Meanwhile, I'm giving you the attendance. Please stay in the class and no need to raise your hand if it is if two is also done. Who is this? Usumadil Mullah. Unmute, please.
Yes,
What is your name?
I am Adil.
Who?
I am Adil. Adil.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Advija. Why you have raised your hand? Advija, unmute, please.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
I have completed.
Question number 2.
Can I,
Yes, yes.
can I do the next sum?
Yes, next 3 you should start. Keep yourself mute. 2, 3, every
Okay.
answer I will show it on the tomorrow. 2, 3 you do. So 2, 3. If 2 is completed, 3 also you start. And 4 is your homework. 4 and
Okay, ma'am.
your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Please keep yourself mute. Today I forget to open the whiteboard. Okay, so that is why I'm not showing you the problems. But tomorrow I will definitely show it to you. Two and three also. You solve it by yourself. Try to solve it. Yes, we done completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today class timing is over. You can leave the class if it is completed. I've given you attendance also. Okay.